Today we are going to review this drone that I brought from Amazon. This is my first buying a drone on Amazon. Let's see how it goes. I bought drones directly from stores before, but this is the first time I'm ordering it online. This is a K2D2 company drone, which is the model of E88 Pro. Let's see the components here. So we have the drone and the extra battery as promised, the remote. This is a manual, so I'll first place it here and let's later see what it contains, and a package containing different components. Okay, it has 4 landing gears, 1 2 3 4 for the 4 legs of the drone. Yeah, and screwdriver, that is to fix the propellers, the extra propellers. These are the extra propellers that they're given us. Yeah, and this is the screwdriver to fix the extra propellers, and this is the USB-B cable. So this is used to charge the batteries. The first battery that is here, this is an extra battery. We have one already fixed to the drone. Yeah, this is the charging port. This goes here and this to the computer or your charging. That's fine. And the extra battery, as I was discussing, it is here. This is the extra battery. Yeah, this is already fixed, so this is how it goes. Yeah, first we'll see the manual, what it contains, then we'll come back to drone and the pairing thing. This is the drone manual. You have what are the controls here, how to operate it in Chinese, English, probably different languages, Russian and other languages. Yeah, and this is the app store link. This has app store link to both Google Play and Android. This also has link to Android China because this is a China product. The drone is from China, and this is how to operate on your mobile phone. The instructions are clearly here, when at least the functions of the controls are here. The only problem with these drones is they don't have proper instruction manual on how to operate it. So we are going to make a special video on how to operate it in my next video. So first let's take this drone. First take the landing ones out for your safety so that it doesn't mess up. Yeah, and then the smaller ones that are here, these are supposed to be like this. I mean, they're free to move everywhere. That is right. And yeah, I'll place it here, and they won't give you batteries for the remote. So I bought it them myself. These are the batteries that I bought from a local store. These are AA batteries and you need 3 of them, so place them correctly. And yeah, right, so this is done and I'm going to place it back. See blinking. Yeah, I'm going to on this. Okay, it's still blinking. So how to pair it, that's the main part. So first, this is the operating the left side. Always use the left side. One beep and second beep. Now you see the lights have gone off. Yeah, so now it is paired. This is how it works. Thank you, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.